Madison. So today I'm going to be doing a video on the new E.L.F skincare line that they're making. So they're coming out with the skincare line, and this is the two products I picked up at Target the other day. This was about $7 and this is $24. This is the Beauty Shield Magnetic Mask. So I'm super excited to see what this is. And then I'll leave all the links down below. And then a Beauty Shield Skin Protection Serum with vitamin C, and it's like the packaging is like holographic on both. So first I'm gonna do a mask, which let's open it and see what's inside. So first thing is the magnet. And it's like that thing that you know, like that. And then the mask is right here. And then they have the guard. So first thing you're supposed to do, it says to cover the head of the magnetic tool in one of the included magnet covers for a mess-free mask removal. So here's what they look like. They're like little gloves. So you're supposed to put that over like this. Then you're supposed to apply this on your face, which I'll show you what it looks like. Like that. So I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna get to applying it. So first I'm gonna be using this brush I got from the GLAMGLOW glitter mask, which I did a video on that. You guys should go watch it. But first you're gonna apply a thin layer of the mask. So let's go. Okay, so now you wait for 5 to 10 minutes, so 5 minutes. We'll be right back. So it's been about 7 minutes, so I'm going to start doing this, and I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it, because I want you guys to see this. Oh, that feels weird. You see that? Oh, I don't like it. Oh. It feels like a magnet. Like, it's weird. I'm not touching my skin. I'm like hovering over it so the magnet will pull the stuff off. So this is what it looks like so far. So I'm gonna try wiping this off and see if I can get more product off my face. So we've tried a magnetic mask before where it's like this little triangle and you have the cover on it, but this is easier because it has a handle and it's a lot prettier. It's like glide and everything, so like I really like this. So I'm gonna clean off the rest of my face and I'll be right back. And I'm amazed by this stuff. Overall, I thought the mask was really fun and really cool, but afterwards, it feels like my skin's greasy or really, really oily. So yeah, but it feels soft at the same time. So would I buy this mask again? Maybe. But yeah, comment down below if you tried any of the new E.L.F. skincare, like the ones that look like this. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Talk. Bye!